Oh, cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a french fries for you. So for this purpose we have to draw first two lines. It's not equal, not straight, it's little bit outer to inner side. Okay, the straight line and the parallel, you have to draw it as well. You have to hold your paper and draw it. Okay, amazing. So it should be little bit down. Okay, so now I have to meet these 2 points, but with not straight lines, a little bit curved lines. Amazing. So now I have to draw here as well. I have to meet these 2 points as well. For this purpose I will draw a line with more, it's like that. Okay, so I have to meet these 2 points as well, but with inner curve line. So going and okay, amazing. So now what is more, I have to draw the french fries. So for this purpose I will draw two line, come down and parallel as well. Okay, these points and here as well I draw it. Okay, and in the middle with straight lines you can draw. Okay, amazing. So I have to draw more. Okay, I have to meet these points, so it's less place, but no problem. Okay, so it's amazing. So I have to fill all area with fries, so you can see like that. This one you can also do it. So I fill it quickly. So Yupu, I have loaded with fries this fry box. So now what is missing? Always smiley face. For this purpose I will draw two eyes here. First this here, inside one, and the other as well. So the parallel I have to draw to see it. Okay, the same I try. If you feel that I'm going fast, you can pause your video and then you can again resume the video. So I fill it this black to I leave it white. So now it's face, smiley face, I will draw it. Okay, so this you have to draw, and these are the teeth, and this is the like that, and I fill it. So this is the teeth and face and tongue. So our french fries is ready. I think I should draw one more here because of its place, empty place. Okay, amazing. So I draw it with color, so I meet you after color. So Yupu, our french fries is ready. So I have chosen red here and yellow. You know, it's always yellow, but you can choose your own choice, other colors for the box. So please subscribe my channel, and whenever you feel I'm going fast, then you can pause your video and complete it, then again you can play your video. So please watch full video to have fun, and it's not necessary like you have to make a complete accurate drawing. So we are just for having fun. So be careful until the next video. So bye bye, take care.